What's happening, guys? Hello again. Welcome to the next video for Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, we are going to review Module 3 step by step, private label product researching and evaluating. Let's go. Step 1, buy the Jungle Scout web app and Chrome extension because they are essential. Use the link in the course resource section. Step 2, determine your benchmarks and your goals, and then start researching. Step 3, set up marketplace and filter criteria in Jungle Scout. Impulse buy range of $15 to $50, sales per month minimum between 200 and 600, reviews maximum between 50 and 150. Step 4, begin searching results. Sort by lightweight first. How many sales per month average does it get? What price does it sell for? Then look at what it is and what is the profit potential. Step 5, open it up in Amazon. Step 6, figure out the top 3 to 5 keyword combinations for the product. Step 7, run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension and analyze the data. Step 8, look to see if the total page 1 sales demand match your criteria. Step 9, look to see if the total page 1 reviews or the competition match your criteria. Step 10, is the listing dominated by one brand, by sales, or listings? Step 11, determine if the product is a good one. If 70% of the top 10 to say 15 listings meet your criteria, then you caught one. Step 12, keep searching until you find a good product. Step 13, try out some of the other bonus product research methods provided in the course section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.